today we're going to be doing this 2024 Lincoln Navigator. We replaced the cruise control module and it needs to be programmed. It's got two codes in memory, one for the configuration, the other one for programming. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to do the PMI, and then we're going to check the vertical alignment for the cruise control module. And if that checks out, we're going to do the dynamic calibration to verify the horizontal alignment. So let's proceed. Let's go ahead and do the calibration. Let's do the PMI on it. Vamos a hacer esta 2024 Lincoln Navigator. Vamos a programar el cruise control module, okay? To be able to do that, we're going to launch our FDRS. This is a 24. If it was an older vehicle, we'll be doing this with IDS. Let's see. This is the vehicle that we're going to be working with. Es el vehículo con el que vamos a trabajar. If you guys don't know how to get this software, the way you obtain this, you go to Motorcraft Service. And then go to, what is it? Software. If you have a VCM 2 or 3, you will be getting IDS. If you have FJDS, you'll be getting, that's because you're dealing with the J2534. The FDRS software works for both of them. When you get these or this, you get access to FDRS, okay? This one you get regardless if you have VCM2 or a J2534. So the way you do this, you download the software, you update it, and then you purchase your subscription. You can get like a 2-day, I think it's a 2 days, a month, and a year. That's how you get the software, okay? After you got the software, we're gonna read the codes that we have in this vehicle first. My CCM is selected, so we're gonna scan it. As you can see, that's the only code, that's the only module that we have with codes on it. Ok, como pueden ver es el único módulo que tenemos con códigos. Si quieren obtener este software, pueden venir aquí a este website, y en ese website van aquí a software, luego van a FDRS, le cliquean donde dice download software y ahí lo bajan. Si tienen un VCM2, para comprar software de diagnóstico sería el IDS, y si tienen un J2534 sería el FJDS, okay? Es para el software. So the codes that we have in memory, it's, what is it, B1344 and U2100. So the first one we're gonna say it's a Bravo 1433. Primer código es B1433 1433, and description is going to be on test D. So 1433, it's this guy right here, and you point to test D. Test D, connected the ignition on. This is going to take us directly to doing remove the inspect for damage, CCM. Okay, this is what we got to do right here. Okay, to check the horizontal, perform the vertical and horizontal alignment. Okay, let's see the alignment. For the vertical, we have an adjustment, which is here. And this is the sensor, the module, okay? So we're gonna check, make sure that this one is level. And if it's not, we're gonna be adjusting with this screw right here. Okay, this is the way you check it with this type of tool. We have a different type of tool that does the same function. So we're gonna go ahead and check it afterwards, okay? That's when we're doing the calibration. This is to take care of 1433, Bravo 1433, this one right here. To do the other code, which is this one, U2100, that requires PMI. Para chequear el otro, el primero lo vamos a hacer, el B1344 lo vamos a corregir haciendo la calibración, y el segundo, que va a ser lo primero que vamos a hacer, va a ser hacer el PMI, la instalación. Es U2100, wasn't it? Or 4100? 2100. Estamos navegando con, we're doing CCM, ok. Este código es el mismo código para todos los módulos, pero el que tenemos es para el CCM. Ok, point test I. So as you can see, it's also going to say right here. So test I, that's IJ. Okay. Let's go all the way up. I2, I1. This is the confirmation for the DTC. And that's something that needs to be done when you install a new module, PMI, okay? So we're gonna go onto FDRS and run the PMI. Let's go toolbox. And for the CCM, we're not gonna read configuration data because this one is a replacement module. We would be doing this if we had the original module, and we would have to read the configuration. For this one, we're gonna do PMI. So we're gonna download it. We're gonna run it. Okay, before commencing this procedure, connect the vehicle battery to a suitable external power supply, which we have. Púntale para allá. Hay que conectar el vehículo a una batería, un cargador de batería, apúntele allá. Ok, y luego apúntele para acá otra vez. So we're gonna, we have our battery maintainer connected. We're gonna click yes. Is the original module installed? No, we don't have the original module installed. Alex?
Yes.
Can you turn the ignition on? Oh, never mind, it's on, right?
Yeah, but let me double check.
Yeah, double check that it's on. So to do the PMI, you have to turn the ignition on, engine off. I believe we have the ignition on.
It's on. Yeah.
It's on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna click OK. Para hacer esta programación hay que prender el switch y con la máquina apagada. So these usually don't. Oh no, I had one that took forever. Let's see how long it takes. When you're doing this type of programming, you gotta do what you gotta do is just let the computer do its thing. I mean, it's gonna download files and program the module, and just follow the directions, instructions, and at the end you should have a confirmation message saying that the PMI was successful or unsuccessful. Okay, turn the ignition off.
What?
Yeah, turn it off. Like I said, I mean, all you got to do is just follow the instructions on the screen.
Off.
Okay. Close the door, stay in there. Okay. We're going to click OK. And let's run a soft test, see if that code went away. Key on, engine off.
The engine is okay.
Ignition on.
On.
We're going to continue. All right, so you can see the U2100 is gone. That's because the PMI was successful. And now what we got to do is get rid of this code right here. Okay, and to do that, we have to perform um, the dynamic calibration. Okay, to do that, let me see. It's configuration. Let me see which procedure it calls for. Let me see. U2100, right? B1333, missing calibration. Inspect, damaged, not damaged, okay. Install a new CCM, refer to CCM. Okay, and let me see what it calls for. Align the CCM. Sensor back to the same. So it's going to be the alignment. Improve the calibration for comparing DTCs in the ABS and PCM module. This is a node that you want to keep an eye on in case it fails, in case your calibration doesn't complete successfully. And that'll be because you might have some codes on your ABS or your PCM. So it calls for the alignment. We're gonna move to, we're gonna run the alignment. This routine will align the components of the adapters to new calibration control. You will be required to drive the vehicle for up to 15 minutes on a public road at speeds of around 50 kilometers an hour. Once the station started, the original settings will be initialized and a warning message will be shown on the instrument cluster until the learning procedure has been completed. So this is the command for the calibration, okay? I'm not gonna click yes at the moment because we need to get this vehicle ready. But something that we're gonna do right now, we're gonna inspect the reader, the sensor itself, make sure it's good on the vertical axis. Can you check that, Alex? And then we're gonna go out and do the calibration for the horizontal axis. It's very right there.
Right.
We're just gonna leave it there because really hard to get it on 0, but it's just 0.1 of a degree off. So we're gonna stop the video here, and then we're gonna show you how we do the dynamic calibration on this vehicle. That'll be coming up on the video.